Hi you guys, hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kyla, and if you haven't figured it out already by the title and loud bag, we have a gratis haul. I'm not entirely sure what episode we're on, but you can already see it in the title. It's like 23, 22, 24, one of those. I'm not entirely sure, but I have this huge bag of gratis. I'm ready to go through it. I'm just gonna pull things out, and I like totaled this up, and it's like $800. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here, if I remember correctly. So we're just going to jump on in and get into it. So I'm just gonna pull things out like randomly. Oh, the first thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It gives you glowing radiance and is softening. I have used this before. It's not like a super heavy glow mask. Like, the avocado one is a lot thicker, but this one is still good. It is brightening, so I'm concerned that it has vitamin C because I can't use vitamin C. But let's look it up and find out. It has AHAs in it. I don't think so. I don't see anything that says vitamin C unless I'm just like totally looking over it. This delivers essential vitamins. Hopefully that doesn't mean vitamin C, because I am allergic. The next thing is Clinique Smart Clinical Multi-Dimension Age Transformer Duo. I think this is a moisturizing duo. Let's look at that. I don't like to open things like this when I first get them because there's no telling when I'm going to start using them, and so I don't want them to go bad before I get the chance to. Clinique Smart Clinical. Retails for $69, and it is tightening gel and cream and a plumping dense cream. So do you mix them? It only has one review. It says apply both resculpt and revolumize to target areas. So I guess, yeah, it's just a moisturizer. Now we have the Thirsty Mug. I feel like in every gratis I get one of these. I have like 2 or 3 now, but it's not because I really like it. It's just a hydrating mask from Glam Glow. It's a really nice one. You put it all over your face. You can leave it like that, or you like and wash it off after like 20 minutes, or you can wear it overnight as your last step, which is usually how I wear things like that. So the next thing is Ole Henriksen Glow to O Dark Spot Toner. It has high potency AHAs, and this is a full size. It's just a toner that has AHAs. It's a little strong, so it can be a little drying and a little bit stingy when you first use it. But I might start using it because I really need to get rid of some of this texture I've got going on. So yeah, the next thing, oh, this I can't use, so I'll be giving this to my sister or someone. Super Hydrate and Glow Oil. That's one of the items that was breaking me out really bad recently when I was breaking out really bad. Because it turns out this has vitamin C in it. I didn't realize that because it doesn't say it on the bottle. I mean, it does say glow oil, so I should have been suspicious, but for some reason I wasn't. But yeah, it has vitamin C in it, and as we've already discussed, that breaks me out really bad. But my skin is starting to get itself together, so we're making progress. The next thing is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I laugh because I'm using this right now, like a little one like this. I have a full-size one as well, I believe, but I'm just using the little one right now because it's just the first thing I grabbed. I was using the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cleanser, but that has coconut oil in it, and my pores were getting really clogged. Like I was getting a lot of blackheads, so I was like, let me not, like, I'm pretty sure this is clogging my pores, so I'm using this one. It's really gentle. It smells like cucumber, and it's delicious. It has some oils in it and whatnot, but it doesn't seem to be breaking me out, which is what I need. The next thing is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence Anti-Pollution Age Delay. This is about a half of a full size, I believe. It says Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence is a silky liquid leave-on formula powder powered by kombucha that increases moisture and luminosity for a radiant, lustrous complexion. The highly concentrated age delay treatment provides daily antioxidant anti-pollution protection, which helps prevent premature signs of skin aging. So that's pretty exciting. This gets really good reviews, and it's really expensive. Like, the full size is like $100, I think, if I remember right. I can look it up. But I'm pretty sure that that's what it is. So the 5 ounce is $68, and the 8.4 is $99. So I knew one of them is around $100. Okay, so the next thing, and I'm going to go and tell you now that there's not a lot of makeup in here. Ironically, that's what I pulled out next. This is technically in the skincare section, but it is also makeup. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the shade Fair. I love this. So I have one already. If you've guys been watching me for a while, you know that I got this in Gratis once before. But I really, really, really like it. Like, I've almost gone, like, you can see, like, I've gotten through a lot in there. It's running rather low. I was kind of wondering what I was going to do when I run out. So I'm glad I got another one because I really like it. It gives you, like, a decent coverage, nothing crazy by any means, but it's like a nice coverage. It's a nice finish. It looks natural. It doesn't look like super cakey in your face, but it doesn't cover like a ton either. So that's that. The next thing, is the Clean Reserve Scent Scent. It's Solar Bloom. So their newest fragrance. It's a very it's like a little bit citrusy, but it's not floral by any means. Like a fresh kind of scent, but it's not like very citrusy though, like some of their other ones, but it's nice. And the next thing is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Moisturizer. And I'm thinking about trying this one because my skin does really well with like charcoals and stuff like that. Like the Glam Glow mask, the Boscia mask that's charcoal, the Origins mask that's charcoal, the Glam Glow oil that has the charcoal in it is my skin does really well with. I just need to buy that. Like that oil and the marula oil are the best oils for my skin. It just is what it is. So this one is minerals from deep within the earth's crust, 9 botanicals, triple lipid complex, nourish and restore for firmer, smoother, younger, healthier looking skin. I just need some good moisture. I'm using Ultra Repair Cream right now, which is good, but I'm like, I almost want something more right this time of year. Like, I'm still relatively dry, especially because I've been not using oils as much. I was using the argan oil, like the light one from Josie Maran, but it, like, I couldn't quite tell if that's what was breaking me out or the cleanser, so I just stopped both of them and my skin's doing better. I think it was the cleanser, but I'm not sure, so I'm just staying away from both for now. But I do need to just get another one of the charcoal one from Glam Glow. I have like a little baby one that I've been using, but yeah. This next thing is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I have a full size one of these already, and I think like half of a full one. I have a smaller one and I refill it as I go. So but I really like this. It's just like your basic toning and exfoliant. It's a gentle AHA kind of deal, so it brightens the skin, smooths the skin. When you use it, your skin does feel smoother, like when you use it regular. I cut them in half because you don't need a whole pad. So yeah, they're nice. They run up in price too. They were like $30, now they're like $32. And then we have this Virtue Real Science True Beauty Restorative Treatment Mask. It is a keratin mask, I guess, for your hair. I don't do a lot with my hair. After combing hair, remove excess water and apply a generous amount, distributing evenly through the hair. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse well. Use weekly or as needed. Avoid contact with eyes. I don't know. Like, my hair doesn't really need to be, like, fixed. Like, it's pretty... It gets a little frizzy, and my ends could probably use a trim. But it's not bad. Like, I need to, like, repair my hair. I don't color it regularly. I did, like, a year ago, maybe. So... it's doing pretty okay considering. The next thing is more hair. Bumble Mumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protective Primer. I don't do a lot with my hair like that. But it's always nice to have. Oh, it softens, tingles, defrizzes, and tames flyaway. So that, I might use this for like defrizzing, but it also prevents against heat damage. So that might be good for does it have to be wet? Damp or dry hair. Okay, that's good. So yeah, we might try that for the frizz aspect because I really don't heat treat my hair. I don't do a lot with my hair often. I just kind of let it do its own thing or put it up in some way. So I don't know. Next is Alpha H Liquid Gold with glycolic acid. It revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. So I guess this is like a toner because it says after apply your serum or moisturizer. Oh, I was so excited for this. This is a Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this. This is wonderful. It makes your lips so soft overnight. I use this every single night, and I'm glad I got one in GRATIS. So this is phenomenal. You can use it during the day too. It's like a lip balm kind of, but it just makes your lips so soft. Like, it's the best one I've ever used, and I'm so glad I got this. Will last you forever as well. Like, an insane amount. And it came with a little spatula, but we'll have to get to that. Next is, this is new, the Whey Body Cream. It's just supposed to help renew the skin. It has kapuaku butter, hydrating coconut oil, which kind of freaks me out, and skin conditioning squalene. I want to feel it. Ooh. It smells good. It's not like, it smells like fragrance. It feels good. I can't put my finger on what that smell is, but it does feel good, and it doesn't feel greasy, which I like. I hate when I have a lotion and my body feels greasy. So that's exciting. Okay, next. The Biosan Squalene Omega Repair Cream. This is a mini. It says nourishes and restores skin moisture barrier. Apply to skin morning and night. That's all it says because it's a mini. So it's just a moisturizer which has squalene and omega fatty acids, I'm guessing. So it should be good. It's just suitable. Next, and this is a mixture of regular GRATIS and education GRATIS. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer and Moisturizer. It's safe for sensitive skin. So I don't know about all that because it is coconut based, but maybe we can try it sometime. It says coconut is the first ingredient and glucose is the second, so that's good. Coffee, apricot, interesting. This should be interesting. I wonder if I have this already. Maybe not. For some reason I thought I did, but that's fine. And then we have, I am so excited for this. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial. It has 25% AHAs, 2% BHAs, a maximum amount that you can sell without a prescription. It's so good. It's such a good mask. And I have a little one and I use it sparingly, but I'm so excited to have the big one because she's expensive. She's like $80 just for this. I don't break everything first. So it's like, I am so excited to have that. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow night because my skin could really use it with this texture I've got going on. Cool. And then next, this is the new Ulla Henriksen's, oh no, this isn't new. C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. They are launching a new one, that's moisturizer and cleanser. I won't be using this because I don't use vitamin C, but you know, you get the idea. And then it's a little baby. This is the Whey Body Cleanser, so I guess it goes with the moisturizer. This is new as well. They're, at least to Sephora it is. It says, feeling funky, same here. This magical body cleanser is infused with balancing probiotics, hydrating jojoba seed, and rosehip oils. Its scent will lift your mood, and luxurious lather will gently cleanse your body while leaving your skin feeling reborn. Let's smell it. Just smells like the lotion. It's a little bit of fragrance, but that's it. Oh. We'll see how it works, I guess. What is this? Oh, Sephora Hair Dry Shampoo. I could not find this on our website when I was trying to like see how much it costs, so I don't know if this is like new, but we've had this at least in a little one. So, and we have this at my work. I don't know why it's not online. So it's just a dry shampoo. It says shake well. It's the Sephora brand, so we'll see how good it is, I guess, you know. Who knows? And then Bum Bum Cream, and this is the full size. This isn't the little baby one. This isn't the mini one. This is the full size one, and they have the big one right now as well for holiday. But this is the regular one, and I am so excited. So excited, so excited. I love Bum Bum Cream. I love how it smells. I love how it feels. I just love Bum Bum Cream. It's so good. So good. And Landon does too. When he saw that I got it, he was like, can I open it? And I was like, No, I have not filmed the video yet, sir. Plus we have the mini ones to use too. So I just love Bum Bum Cream. Then we have, oh, this is the last thing. Hold on, let me pull out the spatula that's in the bottom. This little spatula goes with the Laneige lip thingy. This is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. It's a mask. I believe it is like this baby facial, but I'm not 100% sure. So we got like a ton of good things this go around, which is really exciting. I really love getting gratis promotions for it. It's such a blessing. I feel like I've been posting a lot of them yet lately, but it's just because I've been holding on to them and haven't really had a moment to like put them, like upload the videos. So they've just been sitting and collecting, but yeah. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'm so grateful that I work for a company that does this, where I like the stuff that I get. Like, it's not just a discount that I may or may not use. Like, I actually enjoy all these products. I'm going to use all these products, and they're going to benefit me. Like, I'm not just getting clothes that I'm going to get rid of in a year. Like, I will get rid of these just because I use them, and it's kind of going to rejuvenate my skin and keep me youthful and whatnot. So, pretty excited for that. Yeah, so that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's at Make It My Smile, okay? Just like my name here on Instagram. My subscriber count or following count is declining because I haven't been posting in a while, but it is what it is. I'm working on it. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!